Hello and welcome, Dean Manheimer. This is step number 5 for the Doobly Network Getting Started training. What I want to do is we're going to go through the last piece for Doobly.com, which is the retail side of your business. We've already gone through the customization, your back office, where everything is at. So now let's talk about how does this work from a customer standpoint, what's available. Because it's important that you are a product of the product. In other words, every one of you should be your own VIP customer. Every one of you should be shopping online for everything that you need, using the travel, using all the pieces that are here so that you have an experience with it, you have a story to tell other people, you have a story to tell other potential business associates, and you have a story to tell potential customers on how easy it is to use, what kind of cash back, what kind of success, and what kind of simplicity is here, while all of it's being delivered to you at your home. So let's start first of all with the shopping. When you click on the shopping link, it's going to take you to the page. Now there's a couple of things to notice very quickly. Here you're going to see what is called best deals. Now these are the offerings being made by particular stores and vendors. This will change weekly, daily, just depends on what the offering is and what specials they have for Doobly. As you scroll down, you're going to see this one labeled New Stores. Doobly is continuing to add additional vendors to the Doobly.com site, and this is where you're going to see that when they're first added to Doobly.com. Here is the coupons and promotions. These are specials. These are things that are going on. It allows the customers to look here at a quick glance, see if it's a brand that they use, it's something that they're interested in. They can also come down here and click on View All Coupons and Promotions. It'll bring up a complete list of what is currently available at the time. Now the other thing that we want to look at is over here on this side, you can shop by categories. And here's your categories from automotive and motorcycles, and you can look all the way down, flowers and gifts. And this is just kind of a quick reference, if you will, to go find a category and then go find it by store. Or you can go to here to all stores. And this is generally how most people will shop because they already know the store. They already know the particular vendor that they want to go for. So let's just say we're here at the Tees and we want to go shop at, let's say, Target. So we click on Tees. It's going to bring you to the Tees and it's going to show you what's available here. And you're going to scroll down to find what you're looking for. Now, as you continue to scroll down, you'll see more and more of the T's, but you're going to do it alphabetically, and here happens to be Target. Again, Doobly is always showing the customers what's available for free, and in Target's case, it's 1.8%. For the premiums, 5.8%. For VIP, 7.8%. This is the +4 and the +6, if you remember. Now, the reason they do that is because if it's a free customer, they want them to see what's being left on the table. If it's a premium customer, they want them to see what's left on the table. What you'll do is you're going to click on Go to the Store. Now it's going to open up this page right here, again reinforcing the differences between the customers. You'll click on the link that says Go to Store. It will open up another browser. Now that browser that opens up is going to bring you right to Target. And this is where you will actually be dealing with Target. Now the same thing is going to apply whether it's Target, Walmart, Nordstrom, whomever. If you're a customer with Target, you can log in and get whatever it is that you want from Target. So here you're going to do your shopping, you're going to do anything and everything that you would normally do. We're at Target, this is Target, not Doobly. Buy from them, get all of the coupons, all the difference, all the specials, whatever the Target offers. If you're a member and you've signed in and you have an account, you get special discounts, coupons, whatever. You get literally everything. And then you're going to get cash back from Doobly. You cannot get going direct doing exactly the same thing. When you're done shopping, you're finished here, you'll just click this X, close it out, takes you right back to Doobly, and you're right back to the shopping side of it as well. So again, you can do that and you can go all the way through all of the shopping. Now the second one I want to take you through is travel. So you click on travel, same thing, it's going to open it up, it's going to bring up all of the different categories you can go and shop through if you wish. Here's all stores, hotels, this type of thing. Priceline, Expedia, all of the big boys are here. And so what you're going to do, and let's just say, you know, in my case, I use Expedia quite a bit. So I'm going to click on Expedia, go to Expedia. Right here, again, it reinforces the free, the premium, the VIPs. Click on Go to the Store. It opens up another browser. It tells me point blank, I'm going to Expedia. The $2.25 cash back, and you'll see this on the travel side. Those are generally reflective of airline tickets, not the percentage you're going to get back on hotels, cars, cruises, all those types of things. We are now at Expedia, and in this case, we're logged into Expedia. Here's an individual. This is they're logged into Expedia. This is their account. Any of the specials, any of the discounts, anything that they get, it is here, all of it. and then you can go through and you can find whatever you want to find. You can book your flights, hotels, all of this, whatever you want. It's all here for you. Now, the other thing I want to note for you is this, and this is how our customers can use this to an incredible extent. I'm going to go back, I'm going to leave the Expedia tab open. I'm going to go back over here to shopping, and I'm going to go to, let's see here. I'm going to go back up here. I'm just going to refresh this. I'm going to go back to travel, and I'm going to let it bring back up the full travel page. Now I'm going to go to Priceline. So again, same thing here. Here's Priceline, free premium, that type of thing. So I'm going to click going to Priceline. Now it's taken me to Priceline. I did leave the Expedia tab open. So let's say I wanted to compare a hotel in New York or a cruise or whatever. I can then go to Expedia, find exactly the same thing, same deal. What I'm looking for, it's a hotel, the same hotel in the same city, whatever, with car. I can go back over to Expedia, do the same thing. Now I got two tabs and I can compare which one of them is giving me the best price. I can do it with Expedia, Travelocity, Orbiz, all of them. And I can open all these tabs and do the comparison so you can see a customer can really get a great deal, best cash back, best of the best. If they're logged into any of these people and they've got their accounts with them, they get all of it and it's made available to them. So that's on the travel side. It's important that you know that it's there, you see that it's there, all the things, whether it's cars, that type of thing, made available for you. Now I'm going to click on the Doobly icon again. It'll take me back to the main page. We'll go over here to finance and insurance. I'm just going to briefly touch on that. Some of these are relatively new, but again, same situation. You can go, you can find it, and again, what you'll do is you'll go by all stores, you'll find the brand, that type of thing, get the pricing, get the cash back. It's all here for the customer. Now I'm going to go back up one more time. We'll look at the telecom. Telecom, same situation. Go down, find who you're looking for. If you're doing AT&T, if you're doing any of them, Boost, whomever it happens to be, they're all here. They're Sprint. And so it allows them to be able to, again, see the value that Doobly offers. This is what is available. Now the other thing is here, is you go over here to the Doobly tools. Very, very important. Every customer, including yourself, go to the toolbar, the Doobly toolbar. So we can go down to the toolbar. It will bring up what's available. Currently, Doobly has available the toolbar in Chrome and Firefox. Safari and Internet Explorer will be coming soon. When you download this onto your computer, if you're using Chrome, if you're using Firefox, that basically means you don't even have to come back to Doobly. You can go to Google, you can go to Bing, and when you search, it will automatically pop up which ones have the cash back for you, and it will show you the cash back. That way, if a customer forgets to come to Doobly first, which can happen with customers, and they've downloaded this on the computer, this toolbar will track them and let them know so that they don't ever lose out on their cash back. Also make sure that you've got all your customers using it so that you get the commissions that you're entitled to on all the transactions that your customers are generating. So again, this is the final step in the getting started training. This will wrap up the Doobly Networks, or the Doobly.com side of it. Tie this in with the front end piece on Doobly.com. Again, as a reminder, as a business associate, you have two sites available to you now. Doobly Network, which is where you conduct your business from. Doobly.com, which is where you do your own shopping, you refer customers for additional shopping, and you enjoy the benefit of all of those. So again, Dean Manheimer, thank you very much for your time. Make sure that this gets out to your people so that between all of the steps that we've now got in the getting started training, this will get our people grounded in how to use and what they need to use in Doobly Network, as well as Doobly.com. The future trainings that we will do now will be on the operations side. In other words, the true business building. What are the steps? How do we get started? What do we need to do? How do you put your plan together? With that, I want to say thank you very much and have a great day.